friends, and welcome to a new vlog. I think this vlog might be fun. Hopefully we're gonna sprinkle in some early Halloween decor hunting, but we'll see. I won't know until Sunday when I call the at-homes that are within my driving vicinity to see if they've started getting some, because some have. I'm in different Halloween groups. I follow when things are happening, and At Home is usually the first store to do it. That I have access to at least, and they usually start sometime in June, and I don't know if mine have yet, but we're gonna find out soon. I wanted to kick the vlog off today though because I think we're gonna do some fun stuff tonight. The cats are getting their Meowbox delivered. I actually think it's already in the mailbox, so we'll do their little Meowbox unboxing today, and I think I'm also getting a couple makeup packages, so I will show you those when I get them as well. And yeah, can't believe we're like finishing up the month. It's very weird. My birthday is very soon actually. I think my birthday will be a couple days after this vlog goes up. Yeah, this vlog is scheduled to go up on the 2nd as of right now, and my birthday's on the 7th. So yeah, I have exactly 2 weeks till my birthday, which is super weird. I'm gonna be 28 and it doesn't feel like it. It doesn't feel like my birthday's about to be here at all. I literally don't care about 4th of July. Like, we don't do anything celebratory for that day. So I keep forgetting that that's like an eventful weekend for some people, and it just doesn't even feel like anything. I just don't care about summer. That's the moral of this story. If I could skip summer, I would. But yeah, hopefully early Halloween decor starting this weekend, and then my birthday's gonna be soon. That'll be the next vlog. I don't know. I'm excited though, and now there's a lawnmower man going by. We don't get them very often here. Like, they seem to maintain the lawns and stuff in not inconvenient times, but now here they are. I'm gonna go. I will see you when we do the Meowbox and unbox makeup and all that fun stuff. All right, I got some packages. I got a Sigma package. I've never gotten PR from them, and I think the only thing I've ever tried from them is like maybe a lip gloss a million years ago and maybe an eyeshadow primer, but got some goodies. This bag came with some brushes in it, and they all feel so soft. And like this little brush, look how beautifully precise that is. I love. We have this like makeup brush cleaner that I can just like rub on to knock off shadows. I use stuff like this all the time. And then this has like a little suction cup, and you open it and you can wash your brushes in this. We have a lip oil in the shade Tint. We got an eyeshadow primer, a mascara. This is a liquid lip in the shade New Mod. We have a black pencil liner and then a clear brow gel. They sent the spicy palette. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one because it's just not totally my vibe, just like warm neutrals. It's not really what I go for very often, but one of my friends will love that. They sent me 2 bronzers, medium and light. I'm gonna keep the light one. They sent this blush in the shade Corda Rosa, and it's really, really cute. And then this highlight in the shade Savannah. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to include these in a get ready with me soon. Well, as some of this unearthly stuff that got sent. Sent their new singles, and they're so cute. Lit, Fever, Ignite, and Searing. They sent the Don't Be Jelly palette. So pretty. And then also the In the Dark palette, which they've recently revamped. They added a new shimmer in it. It is gorgeous. So really excited about these. I think, again, I'm gonna just kind of include everything in a get ready with me soon. And I'll probably do individual Instagram videos / TikToks with these. So yeah, I'm so excited. I feel so spoiled. Ooh, I'm so pumped. By the way, you can use my affiliate code battybean to save money on Unearthly's site. And then Sigma gave me a code for you guys specifically. It's just Sigma Beauty 10 if you wanna save money. That's not like an affiliate code or anything. I'm gonna clean up this mess now. Babies! Who wants their Meowbox? Absol! Edeling got to go outside this evening, so she might not join us because she's very happy out there. Kanade, Felix is coming too!
Shake it again.
You want your Meowbox? Yeah! Are you so super excited? Hi, Edelyn, Leela, Felix, Kanade, and Axel. They got all of you, and they're all spelled right.
A trip to the Super Meow Kit.
That's so funny.
That's a mouthful.
What did you guys get?
Well, some chips. Looks like a bag of chips.
It does look like a bag of chips.
Free cat food. Okay, cool. Wait.
Love a coupon.
Yeah, that's cool. More treats here. Let's
Look at her.
open them up. Kanade's rubbing on the
Big yellow eyes. Oh, and Kanade's like over here begging. It's like, please, can I?
Now she's rubbing.
Just on the card.
She's rubbing on the trash like always.
Hey, Abby. Felix.
I couldn't get the bag of chips open. Oh. Nuna.
They got 2 treats?
With insect protein and airing.
I gotta say, I'm not a fan of them giving us less toys and more treats.
Yeah,
we want more toys.
Of treats.
Kanada's in the box. What do you guys think of these treats?
Here, Kanade, do you want some? Ooh, they're fighting over them.
I think they like them. I think they all like them. Kanade's eating it too. Leela, I wish you would join us. She's actually sitting on the recliner over there right now. She just does not care about treats and toys.
Does not want any. A floof flower.
Oh, they're gonna love that. I can just tell.
This is gonna be a good one. Nana, almost too ripe.
That's so funny.
That's really funny.
That is far too ripe for me, that's for sure.
Yep, Betty Jean would not be eating this banana.
Oh, it's so cute that it's peeled.
Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh.
Well, I made her mad. Kanade. We got
so
a
dramatic.
Reusable shopping bag.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Are you eating Kanade's treats?
She didn't want them.
I thought she did. I thought she ate one.
Nope. And tomatoes on a vine.
Oh, cute.
That is really cute.
You guys got 4 toys and 2 treats. I feel like that's actually a pretty good box.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good success. You guys don't seem thrilled about these toys, I've got to say. They're usually a lot more into them by now.
Maybe they're... Oh. She likes tomatoes.
Oh my gosh, she's chomping it. Absol.
Got it open. Okay.
Banana.
This is chicken, turkey, and fish.
Wow. She's so squeaky. Have some treats. Here, Kanade. I don't know if he'll eat it, but... Oh, he just covered it. He's like, mine. Felix, that's rude.
Trying to see if she wants to eat it, y'all. Kanade, I'm protecting you.
She's like, let him have it.
She's picky with treats.
I'm so surprised they're not as into them. Usually they're rolling all over them, especially Absol.
Maybe they're stressed from the storm. It was storming earlier.
Felix, were you stressed? Banana?
Yeah, get that banana. She's licking it.
She's such a freak.
Eat it, Lynn.
Absol, was this successful? Did you find another treat, buddy? Are you happy with your box? Felix! Are you finished with those errands? Hello, my dears. It is Saturday morning. I just got done filming this little look for Instagram and TikTok that'll already be up by the time this vlog goes up. I'm sad to report that we called the at-homes and there's no Halloween decor yet. We called the 4 in our vicinity. They don't have any. So, not going Halloween decor hunting this weekend, and I'm so sad. I was really hoping we'd be able to start doing that early stages of it, but not quite yet. Maybe soon, maybe after my birthday, after 4th of July. We'll see how it goes. I'm not bitter or anything. I think we might go to the movies tonight though and see that Black Phone movie. I'm really excited to see it. I think it's gonna be really good. I have pretty high hopes. I hope it ends up being as good as I'm hoping it will be. We might hang out with a couple friends tomorrow since we now no longer have plans for Sunday, but we shall see. I really want to check out Buff City soap. We got one in our town like a month ago, so I really want to check it out and do some soap shopping. So if we do that, I'll take you along for that. I'm so sad there's no Halloween decor. I thought this was going to be the first video, but alas, not quite yet. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on and break the bad news to you early. And I'm gonna go eat breakfast and then head off to work, and then I'll take you along for the movie later. Obviously, I'm not gonna film the movie, but I'll take you along to us going to the movie and report back on how I feel about it. Hello, it's the next day. I obviously didn't continue vlogging yesterday. The movie was great. I'll get to talking about that later. I was just, you know, there's just such an overwhelming sense of anger in my body ever since Roe v. Wade got turned over the other day, and it's just really upsetting. So I just wasn't really feeling like vlogging anymore last night after we went to the movie. We just came home and I played The Sims just to take my mind off of things. I'm just so frustrated. Just the idea that women and other people with uteruses are basically just gonna have no control over our bodies. It's frightening and horrifying, and I'm not here for it. 0 out of 10, wouldn't recommend. But yeah, probably gonna feel angry for quite a while. This isn't over. We're not gonna stop fighting. I don't know. It just feels hopeless, but I also feel like we're gonna come through. We're gonna pull through this. It's gonna be okay. I completely sympathize with everyone who's feeling the same way I am. I completely just understand how just defeated we feel, you know? Not a fun time, but I am just going to play with some makeup for a little while, kind of get my mind off of things, get into a little Zen mode. Once I'm feeling better, I will regroup, catch back up with you, and we will chat about the movie because it was fantastic. I'm just not in the mood to talk about it right this second. So I'm gonna go take my mind off of things with a little bit of colorful powder. Okay, I feel a little more Zen now. I love this look. I filmed it for Instagram and TikTok, and I also filmed my favorites video. I think that'll be up after this video though. Let me see. I don't even know when this vlog's going up. Yeah, the favorites video should be up already. I think my vlog's going up the day after that, so you can go check those out if you want. We can talk about Black Phone now. I loved it. Literally probably one of my favorite horror movies I've seen so far this year. It was really good. There was just such a good mix of atmosphere. It took place in the 70s, I think, so it very much captured that vibe really well. I loved how suspenseful it was. There were spooky moments. It was very like almost mystery problem solving. It just hit a lot of really good points. I thought it was really fun. It was unique, and I really recommend it if you're into spooky movies. Please go watch it. I'm not going to spoil anything, but I really enjoyed it. So there's that. I think for the rest of the day, I'm just going to do a little bit of editing, maybe play some Sims, get my mind off of things a little bit. I think we're going to go get dinner with some friends tonight. We're probably going to see that Buzz Lightyear movie soon. I don't know when though. I'm just not super excited about it. I don't know why. I'll see it at some point though, maybe Monday or Tuesday evening. We shall see. But I just wanted to pop on real quick. I know tomorrow I need to get my nails done. It's been a long time. They're very grown out. They're not looking so hot. So I'm gonna get those redone again because we're kind of leaning into vacation prep mode, birthday prep mode, all that fun stuff. I will see you probably tomorrow. Hello, it's a couple days later. I've been the worst vlogger the last couple days. I just really haven't like done anything exciting, you know? Like I got my nails done. Look how pretty they are in the sun. They just shift and shine so cool. I love. But yeah, I just had them put a black nail polish on, and then this is Polar Princess from Hollow Taco over top, and it just looks magical. But I've basically just been catching up on YouTube stuff the last couple days, doing some editing. I filmed and edited and uploaded my ranking my palettes for the first half of the year video, and those are always so hefty and long to like do, so I've been working on that a lot. I had a wax appointment yesterday. It's just like been errands, catch up stuff, YouTube stuff, all that fun stuff. We did end up going to see Lightyear last night because we realized it was probably like the last evening that we could really do that because we just have like a lot of stuff to do this week. And it was actually really cute. I liked it more than I thought I was going to. It was really sweet. I actually quite enjoyed it. So if you were like me and like debating on seeing it, maybe go check it out because I thought it was pretty good. My battery literally just decided to die, even though it's been on the charger, but whatever, maybe it wasn't actually plugged in. But yeah, I just have work in a bit today. I'm going to catch up on some more editing this morning and then head off to work. We have kickboxing class tonight at my father-in-law's martial arts school. We've been loving doing that. It's been going on since like May, and it's been so much fun. I just feel myself getting stronger, and like my punches and kicks are getting better. It's just, I don't know, it's really fun, and it's a great way to take your energy out at the end of a day because you leave and there are no problems in the world anymore. Kanade has decided to join us. Hello, my angel. Oh my gosh, also, I hit 30,000 subscribers. That's wild. Thank you so much. It's been a little bit of a slower climb since 20,000, and it's very exciting that I'm here. I just can't thank you guys enough for watching, hanging out, interacting. It means the world to me. I love this little community on this little corner of the internet, and I just thank you guys so much. It means the world. But yeah, I'm just going to get some work done, and I'll catch you later. Hello, it's the next day. My shoulders are quite sore from kickboxing class last night, but it was fun. Colourpop sent me a package last night. They're coming out with that like seashell themed collection or whatever, so I'm keeping a couple aspects. I used the products for today's look. It's very cute. It's very like soft, but I like it. This is the highlight palette I'm keeping. Night is shell, not night, might. The font really makes it look like it says night. Might is shell. Colourpop and their puns. I'm using the purpley one today and I really like it. 3 new So Glassy lips. Look at the shifts in those. It's so pretty. I love this formula. They sent Beach Please, which has kind of a pinky purple sparkle. It's what I'm wearing right now. Very subtle sparkle, but the shift is there. My Goodies has more of a pinky sparkle. And Sunshine Required is more of like a golden yellow sparkle. Love these. And the palette that I'm keeping is Shell Shocked. Looks like that. I feel like the mattes, like especially the pink and blue, which they're not like matte, but they have the sequininess to it. Basically mattes with sparkle. I feel like they need a little more pigment because they're very subtle. But I'll have my Instagram video / TikTok up soon, probably before this vlog if I'm not mistaken. So you'll be able to see it in action. The shimmers are gorgeous and that's the main reason I wanted to use that palette. But the other colors, they're just all right. But I figured I would actually pop on and end the vlog here because it's going up on Saturday. Today's Thursday. Literally all that's going on today and tomorrow is work. I don't think I'm doing anything tonight after I get off other than like editing and maybe playing The Sims a little bit. And then tomorrow all I'm doing is, I think, possibly also catching up on editing, maybe watching RuPaul's as well, because the new episode will be out tomorrow. Oh, also binging Stranger Things, actually. RuPaul, you're gonna have to wait. I will catch you after we watch those final 2 episodes. That's what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. So there really won't be anything vlog worthy between today and tomorrow, and then I want this vlog up on Saturday, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. I feel like this was just a very chill week in the life, you know? But that's just how it goes sometimes. I'm not always doing anything that exciting. And you know, like I said before, this week has just felt very heavy and icky and not so fun. So just been trying to get through it one day at a time, you know, and next vlog will be a lot more fun. It'll be my birthday. We're going on our little trip and you're definitely coming along. I'm very excited. So I'll see you then. Ugh, this glare coming in from my window. It's like sometimes I sit here and the lighting is fine and then sometimes it just all goes wrong. But if you made it to the end of this video, I don't know, why don't you just leave me some blue emojis? I feel like I'm very blue today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.